Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about the command line. I would like to explain to you what it is, how you use it, and how you interact with files, folders, and navigate around. The command line is a way for you to interact with a computer using just text. Usually you interact with your computer probably with a mouse. You'll look at a graphical user interface, move around files and folders in the Explorer or in the Finder or in the Start menu, depending on what your operating system is. Now you can also navigate around using the command line. On Mac, that's called the terminal. On Windows, you would use the PowerShell. And today I'm going to focus on what this looks like in the terminal. It's very similar to Windows, but the commands are a little bit different, so keep that in mind. On Linux, actually, the commands are pretty much the same as on Mac. So what does this look like? This is what the terminal looks like on Mac. When you open it for the first time, you see something like this, and you actually are right now in a folder already. And to find out what folder you're in, and more importantly, what is inside that folder, you type in ls, and you can see the folders that are in there. To know where you are, you type in pwd, and this is the path to the folder that you currently are in. So those are already the first two most important commands that you need. Now, if you want to navigate around, you want to use change directory. But before we do that, let's create a directory. And you do that by typing in mkdir, mkdir, and then the name of the new directory. Let's call it hello. Now, this folder has been created. Let's double check that this actually happened. Yes. You can see when you type in ls, the folder is there. Now, to change a directory and to go there, you just type in cd and then the name of the directory. Now I'm inside the hello directory, and if I type in ls, you can see there's nothing in here because we just created an empty directory. I can create another directory in here and call it, for example, world. And now if I ls, you can see that it's right there. Also, if I double check the path where I'm at, you can see this is the current path. Now, if I want to remove a directory, it looks very similar. So I type in rmdir, and if I look into the folder now, I see that the folder world has been removed. If I want to go back a folder, I type in cd and then 2 dots. You may have seen this already in the Explorer or Finder sometimes, or somewhere that 2 dots represent going back. Now I'm back on the root. If I type in ls, this is where I am. And that's really already the most important thing that you need to know. You need to know find out where you are, you need to be able to change directories, and you need to be able to create folders, remove folders. Now, you keep in mind you cannot remove folders if files are in there already. There's a different command for that. There are lots of commands actually, and there's lots to learn. But with these very basic commands for navigating the command line, you already know everything that you need to do and 90% of what you will actually use while interacting with the terminal. So I hope this was very helpful for you, and I see you next time.